Namaskaram, Nenu Mansi Gulati. Today we are going to do yoga poses for the beginners. हम सबको ये जानना होता है कि बिगिनर्स के लिए कौन से आसन ठीक होते हैं, हम किस एज से योगा को स्टार्ट करें. तो मैं आप सबको बताऊंगी जो आज मैं आपको आसन करा रही हूँ दैट आर वेरी गुड फॉर द बिगिनर्स. और हम किसी भी एज में योगा स्टार्ट कर देते हैं, योगा की कोई एज नहीं होती है. Today is also a right time to start yoga. So let's start yoga for the beginners. First, very important, while starting yoga, we need to understand there are the principles. We need to focus on breathing. In breathing, inhale, exhale and hold. There are the three principles. So let's start with Samanya Kriya today. Keep your hand like this and always try to sit straight. That is important. Inhale, exhale, inhale. Samanya Kriya, inhale from nose, exhale from mouth. It helps to clear all the bad toxins from your body. Let's do it. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Yoga is for perfection, super perfection we will get while doing the simple asanas for the beginners. So let's start. Samanya Kriya is very easy. Anyone can do this Kriya. Now we'll start with yoga poses. So first we'll do very simple yoga asana that we call Siddha Asana. Siddha Asana, Saral Asana, Simple Asana. It we call Padmasana also. And English we call lotus pose also. Just hold your big toe and sit. We are sitting like a yogi. We all become yogi now. So just hold in this posture. Body, relax your mind. Exhalation. Focus. Relax your shoulder, relax your back, relax your mind. This is the first easy asana for the beginner. Let's do other asana. This is also very easy asana. This we called pigeon pose. It's very easy. Now hold this. This is good for side twisting also. Relax yourself. Let's do other asana. We need to get up today. So please get up. First we'll do mountain pose. Mountain pose is also very easy pose. Yoga is all about to balance your mind, balance your body with yoga. Hold. If you breathe properly, you can hold also. We can balance our body, we can balance our mind at any situation with yoga. Release it. Now we'll do Veerbhadra Asana. It's very easy. Inhale. Interlock and stretch properly first. Push your body back. Relax. Now we'll do other asana, forward bending. This is also very good for the beginners and very good for your back. push your body back. Relax in Balasana. Very simple and very easy asanas for the beginners. Please do this asana and you will get the best results. So this is all about beginners. Stay happy, stay healthy. We will come again. Thank you.